Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. How long has it been? Oh my goodness. I think it's been maybe like a month, maybe longer. I'm not sure. It's been a long time. So, I'm sorry that I've been on a hiatus, if you want to call it that. But things have been going like
Sorry.
You did that on purpose.
Sorry.
You did it on purpose.
No.
So, as I was saying, sorry that it's been so long, but things have just been coming up like weekend after weekend. And I usually only film my videos on Saturday, and then I upload them on Tuesday, but today is Friday. So I had some time, and I've been saying that I need a recorded look. I need to get back into it. So I was like, you know what? I feel like I'm in the mood, so let me record a look. Anyways, without further ado, so today I went for a really smoky eye. This is one of my favorite eyes to do. It's really simple. And I also want to apply like the liner, but in glitter. This is my first time doing it, and I like the way it came out. The palettes that I use for this look are both from Morphe. One is the 350 Babe, and the other one is the Jaclyn Hill collab. I believe that one was her second one, I think. Yeah. But this one is the not 350, it's 35G bronze goals Morphe palette, and this is what it looks like. I think I used like 2 colors out of here, maybe 3. And the Jaclyn Hill palette that looks like this. The only color I used out of this one is this black matte shade, because it's more matte and it's more black than the one that was in this palette. Or was it? Which one did I use out of here? No, the one in the bronze golds is darker. I use this shade out of this palette. So see, I'm getting back into it. First video and I'm all over the place. But wait a minute, I'm usually all over the place. What's the difference? Anyways, like I always say, you don't have to use what I'm using. You can use whatever colors you like. You can switch up however you like. You don't have to use exactly what I'm using. Be creative. Do use other colors. The world is your oyster. So how it goes, the world is your oyster, I think. Anyways, if you want to see how to recreate this look, then keep on watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next tutorial. Mwah! Bye! First, we're going to go in with the MAC Painterly Paint Pot, and I'm using this to prime my eyes. And then the next thing I'm going to go in with is a translucent powder by Laura Mercier, and I'm going to use this to set that primer. You know, I'm usually used to doing my eyebrows first and then my eyes, but today I decided to do my eyes first, and then I switched up my routine today just to see how it all panned out. And next I'm going to go in with a Dermalogica skin smoothing cream, and I'm going to use this as a moisturizer as well as priming my face for a foundation, which I'm going to put on later. Again, I told you I am switching it up today just to see how it all panned out. I wanted this smoothing cream slash moisturizer to really set into my face instead of putting it on and then putting foundation right on after that. I wanted to see if it would make a difference as far as to the appearance of the foundation and how much it adhered to the primer. Next, I'm going to go in with my NYX Cosmetics Milk Jumbo Eye Pencil, and I'm using this, I think it's called Black Bean, not Milk. And I'm using this as a primer before I put on my black matte eyeshadow. And the reason I'm doing this is to make that shadow appear darker. Sometimes if you don't use a dark or black primer, sometimes the black shadow or dark shades can appear a little like faded or washed out, and you have to put in more work and apply more product. So this makes that less tedious. And then as you see, I'm going in with that black eyeshadow that I was talking about, and I'm using the black eyeshadow out of the 35G palette from Morphe brushes. Next, I'm going to go in with a pencil brush, also from Morphe. It's going to be a Morphe kind of day. So I'm going to go in with that mauve brown shade that I just posted up on the screen. And I'm going to use this as my transition color. And I'm blending out that black eyeshadow because I don't want any harsh lines. After that, I wanted to go in with more of a darker but not too much darker shade, and this one is like kind of like a wine color. I just wanted to add just a little bit more color and depth to my crease and my transition area. And now I'm going back in with the black eyeshadow because as I was blending some of the black eyeshadow, of course, it blended together with the transition color. So I wanted to reapply it to make it really pop and really stand out. And then now I'm going in with my liner brush, and I put my black eyeliner on off camera, but I put black liner on, and then I'm going in with my liner brush and Lilly Cosmetics glitter glue, and I'm going to go over that eyeliner that I just put on to create my winged eyeliner. And then I'm going to use this beautiful glitter from Lilly Cosmetics and put that over top of that glitter glue that I just placed. Next, I'm going in with my Jasmine Brown eyelashes in JB. This is a new lash for me. I had the hubby pick up lashes for me, and I didn't realize till after the fact, after this look was done, I was like, hey, these are the normal lashes that I normally use, but I will not complain. So I'm going in with my foundation. Next, I did apply concealer to a pimple that popped up over the week and on the side of my nose. And then I'm going in with my Lancome Ultra Tint Idol Tint Ultra Wear foundation. And I'm going in with a stippling brush from Morphe Brushes. I told you it was a Morphe Brushes kind of day. And buffing this out. Right after I buff this out, I'm going in with a blending sponge. I'm gonna buff it out even more to make it sure it's evenly blended and spread out. Next, I am going in with the Tarte Cosmetics Shape Tape Concealer in the color medium, and then I'm also going to be using that same sponge to blend and buff this out. I'm highlighting underneath my eyes, down the center of my nose, on the center of my chin, in the middle of my Cupid's bow, and that forehead. Next, I'm going in with my Black Radiance concealer, and I'm going to be using this as my contour. And I'm also going to be using another shade for my contour, and that's the Black Opal darker shade contour to really outline these cheekbones and to minimize the wideness and large surface area of that forehead. And I'm using that same blending brush to blend that out. Next, to set the highlighted areas, I'm going in with my Kat Von D translucent powder and that same sponge and setting it in all the areas but that I put the concealer. And afterward, I'm going to go in with my Hoola bronzer in Oldie But Goodie, and I'm going to set the contour of my face. There would be lots of silliness. In this clip, I am taking my Tender-Hearted blush from Pacifica Beauty, as usual, nothing different there, and a blush brush, and putting that on the tips of my cheeks and blending that into my contour. After that, I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Amrezy palette, well, not a palette, a highlighter, which has become recently one of my absolute faves, and I'm going to be using this as my highlighter, putting that right on the top of my that blush that I just put down. I'm going down the center of my nose with it and my Cupid's bow. After that, I'm going in with my MAC Cosmetics lip liner in Whirl, putting that as a lip liner and also filling in my lips with it, and going in with MAC Cosmetics Oh Baby lip gloss over top. And that is it, you guys. Oh, sorry, I forgot to mention that I did set the rest of my face with MAC Cosmetics Studio Fix powder. And that is it, you guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye bye.